Hi, I'm Tucker Clarkson, CEO of the Lake Doctors. People ask me all the time.
Are lakes any good?
No, children. Our lakes are fucking great. We're a full-service pond management company, keeping your waterway clean of invasives and algae with regular service. Upgrading your lake with best-in-class fountains, aeration, and fishing. Restoring your habitat with living shorelines, native plantings, and enough depth to protect your home during a flood. You know, that actually adds value. Not some guy named Dudley with too much time on his hands and a bad idea.
Today we're using my Aboriginal didgeridoo, which uses ultrasonic vibrations to kill the algae.
It's not just important to have professional management. It's important to have the right professional management. Pond and lake management shouldn't be complicated, but solutions cannot be found in aisle 12 next to the pool noodles.
Hey, you think this will kill some algae?
And at the same time, the last thing you would do is hire a company owned by a bunch of Chads in LA and New York who have no idea what they're doing. Well, we're naming the baby Interest because we're always carrying it. You don't want a Chad, and you don't need a DIY solution from YouTube.
Die, algae! Die!
You need the Lake Doctors. We manage your issues before they become problems. You see this beautiful lady? She didn't have to do a thing.
Not a thing.
So stop guessing, stop stressing, and stop pretending that you or Chad know what the you're doing. Call the Lake Doctors, because yeah, our lakes are great.
Giddy up! Yeah!